You must have seen a lot of memes, but have you ever wondered what the truth behind those memes is? What would happen if you stopped blinking? If you find out how a parrot shops on Amazon, you'll be blown away. There are some companies in the world that actually kidnap you for money. The truth will leave you stunned. Bro, in India, rats don't just eat grains anymore. Now they've started tasting weed too. Bro, watch the video till the end because it's gonna be amazing. So if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, do subscribe and hit like. At number 17, what would happen if you stopped blinking? Blinking isn't just a habit. It's essential for our lives. If you don't blink for a minute, it'll feel like someone has put chili powder in your eyes. After 2 minutes, everything will look blurry, and after 5 minutes, your eyes won't just be red, they'll be pure bloodshot, as if you've seen a ghost. If you don't blink for half an hour, it'll feel like someone is running a tattoo machine over your eyes. After an hour, dirt and dead cells will start to build up in your eyes. And after an hour and a half, a bug might just crawl out and say, "Give me something to eat." Number 16, monkey banana style. Just as humans have gotten busy with smartphones, monkeys have also upgraded the way they eat bananas. Monkeys peel bananas from the bottom, opposite to humans, and they do it without damaging the skin much. Actually, this is the correct way to do it. So next time you call someone a monkey, think twice. They might just be smarter than you. Number 15, a light bulb that's been burning for 123 years. A bulb that was installed in 1901 is still glowing today. It's called the Centennial Light. It's installed at a fire station in California. The technology from that era was so reliable that it's still working today. And nowadays, phones, washing machines, and everything else become junk in just 2 or 3 years. Why? Because these days things are deliberately made to break down quickly so that you have to keep buying new ones. Number 14. How did a dog become the king of the pyramid? At the Great Pyramid of Giza, where even humans aren't allowed to climb, one day a dog managed to climb up. The security guards there just kept saying, "Move aside, dog, let it go." Number 13. Did you know that in the Netherlands, people didn't like taking medicine, so they made paracetamol ice cream? Eat it cold and your headache will disappear just like when your crush replies. But don't give it to kids or they'll start having headaches every day. Number 12. Give the hype to the rats. In a police station in Mathura, 521 kilos of marijuana was stored, and then what happened? The rats ate marijuana worth almost 9 million rupees and no human took it, only the rats did. Now the rats must be dancing to the DJ. Number 11. It makes sense when people shop online, but when a parrot orders things from Amazon, look at this. Wait, it's an African gray parrot who in 2018 pulled off a fraud using Alexa. As soon as the owner left the house, this very parrot would tell Alexa, "Alexa, I want ice cream, some grapes, and yes, send a watermelon too." And Alexa is an innocent machine. How can you blame her? She would place the order immediately. This parrot is no ordinary bird. It even remarkably learned to perfectly mimic its owner's distinctive voice and then skillfully used that incredible ability to confidently shop for various items online, making purchases with surprising ease. Both the tree and the suspicion were big. Now think about it, if a parrot goes shopping, what will happen to human jobs, brother? Number 10. The Ganges River is home to the Ganges shark, Glyphis gangeticus, which is one of the rarest sharks in the world. It attacks by hiding in the riverbed mud. So just being afraid of crocodiles isn't enough. Now even sharks are lying in wait in the Ganges. Number 9. Imagine if your brain's wiring changed so much that you started chewing your own hands, feet, and lips. This is called Lesch-Nyhan syndrome. People with this condition bite themselves so much that sometimes they even lose their fingers. Number 8. Have you ever thought that a toilet could be displayed in a museum? The people of South Korea have actually done it. There, the Toilet Museum is such a place where people don't just go to learn about history or understand technology. You'll see a king's golden toilet alongside today's smart toilets that can even talk. You just don't have to get up and shout. And the founder of all this is no ordinary person. He calls himself Mr. Toilet. He even had his house built in the shape of a toilet. Honestly, no one has ever shown more love for commodes than this guy. Now you tell me, would you go there to take selfies? Or is your own washroom enough? Number 7. The rats created such havoc in Mudrabag that the municipal corporation issued a tender worth 3 million rupees. Whoever catches a rat will get paid. Basically, catching rats has now become a government job. Who says there are no jobs in India, brother? Number 6, guys, do you know who holds the record for the world's longest phone call? So friends, Erica and Abrin talked continuously for 46 hours, 12 minutes, and 52 seconds in 2012. The Guinness Book also recorded it, with the condition that they couldn't stay silent for more than 10 seconds. Now just imagine how hard it is to keep talking for 2 days straight. Number 5. The punishment of tickling. In ancient China, criminals were tortured by being tickled. They were tickled so much that they would end up confessing themselves, saying, I did it, please let me go." Basically, where we have the CBI today, back then they had the electrical department. Number 4. Do you know about Rome's open toilets? In ancient Rome, there were open toilets where 36 people would sit together and do their business at the same time. And that too, without any walls. Number 3. A company called Dotart that treats patients. They kidnap you. With a full plan, they'll tie you up, beat you, and even give you electric shocks. But only with your permission. Number 2. In Hong Kong, a man has built a toilet worth 92.2 million rupees and the entire washroom is made of gold. Now just imagine, while we are busy looking for toilet paper, they must be wiping golden walls. It seems like the machine doesn't have a mouth. Maybe the man washes money there. Number 1. This boy, whom the whole world now knows as Aura Boy, once couldn't even go to school. Yes, he couldn't go to school because there wasn't enough money to even fill his stomach. Paying school fees was just a dream, but then the internet said, wait, you're about to go viral. This Indonesian kid danced so well that people said, wow, he's a real star. And when he was asked, now that you've gone viral, what do you want? This little hero replied, I want to go to school for free. He really has a heart just like MCU's Spider-Man. He understood that with great power comes responsibility. Now the Indonesian government is considering what to do. They're saying this, send this kid to school or else he'll turn his studies into a dance routine. So next time you feel bored of school, think of Aura Boy, who's asking for school even after going viral. Alright, that's the end of the video. See you in the next one. Until then, bye.